A quick look at how you can interact with the world of decentralized applications using the ELLIPAL Titan cold wallet. The ELLIPAL Titan is a highly secure, air-gapped device, meaning your private keys are completely isolated offline. However, this isolation does not prevent you from engaging with the broader Web3 ecosystem, including a vast array of decentralized applications, or DApps. To connect your air-gapped hardware wallet to DApps, you primarily use the accompanying ELLIPAL mobile application. This app acts as your secure gateway. The key to this connection lies in two critical protocols, Wallet Connect and MetaMask integration. ELLIPAL proudly supports Wallet Connect, a widely adopted open protocol that allows your mobile crypto wallet to connect securely to decentralized web applications on a desktop or mobile browser. This is done by scanning a QR code, which facilitates a secure, sign what you see transaction process where your private keys never leave the Titan device. This mechanism extends your cold storage security to hundreds of DApps. Through the ELLIPAL Apps Discover section, you gain direct access to a curated list of DApps, or you can use the browser function to navigate to any DApp website. By selecting Wallet Connect or MetaMask within the DApps interface, a QR code appears, which you then scan using the ELLIPAL app. This seamless, yet secure, connection opens up the world of decentralized finance and more. You can use decentralized exchanges for swapping tokens, engage in staking to earn rewards on supported assets, explore lending and borrowing platforms, and participate in the non-fungible token marketplace to manage your digital collectibles. The Titan allows you to authorize every transaction by scanning a QR code, ensuring your offline keys confirm all actions without ever touching the internet. So, while the ELLIPAL Titan focuses on maximum security through air-gapping, it still provides simple, safe access to the most popular decentralized applications and Web3 services. It is the bridge that lets you secure your assets offline while actively participating in the decentralized economy.